Good morning, everybody. Except it's not morning, it's evening, and it's rainy. There's the big boy. There's a giant cock. Anyway, we are at, can I see a sign? There's a sign. You see that sign? We're at Flat Creek Restaurant here in Republic. We've already eaten. We're getting ready to go to Andy's. It's our last night here. We basically have our entire trip planned out. We'll be home a week from today. So we're cutting it a little short, which I'm fine with. I can't wait. We're gonna have a great time going home. We've got a lot of roads we've not ridden. We're gonna stop at some businesses that are on supportbikers.com. So that's one of the things we're doing this year. So if you own a small business and you would like, by chance, the Badgers to come by and see your business and maybe even do a video at your business, the only chance you have of that is by putting your free listing on supportbikers.com. So we have a bunch of people that are on supportbikers.com lined up for us to meet with on the way back to Florida. So the first day, well, tomorrow we have our meetup and everything at Switchback for the ladies ride on Saturday. So 5 to 7 tomorrow night we have a meetup at Switchback. Then on Saturday morning, kickstands up are at 10 a.m. We're headed to Fort Smith to the Still Horse Rally. Sunday we're staying in Fort Smith, hopefully to hang out with some of our friends that we met last time we were in Fort Smith. And then Monday we head out. And we are basically heading over to meet somebody around Little Rock, and then we're headed to the Monroe area where we're going to stay the night, and then we're going to Warhawk Harley Davidson on Tuesday morning. And then Tuesday we're going, after we're done at the dealership, there is a restaurant we're going to. I do not remember the name of it. Angie set all this up. Then we have Uncle Jesse's Garage. We're going there next. We may go to another motorcycle place. Not 100% sure. We haven't heard back from them. And then we're headed to Billy's, which Billy's is a restaurant right near Mobile, Alabama. We're gonna stay the night in that area, and then we're gonna ride all along the coast over to Tallahassee, where we're gonna go to, I think it's called the Sound Bar. I'll get Angie on here to confirm all of these places we're going. And then we'll stay the night there in Tallahassee, and then Thursday we'll ride from Tallahassee to home. So we have a full schedule. Should be a great time. My ride is here. I'm gonna go get some Andes. We'll see you guys here in a little bit. All right, guys, so we're back in Monette's, and I got the authority on this. So I told you where all we're going, what all we're doing, but we're gonna go eat at a couple places. So what is that first place we're stopping at? The cows and the bells and the horses and the cows and the...
All right, it's called Cow and Coops.
Cow and Coops.
Yep.
Okay.
And that's located in Hattiesburg,
okay,
Mississippi.
All right.
So you already told them about
our general route.
Okay.
And what we're doing there.
So like Warhawk.
Right. Told them about Warhawk.
Okay.
I told them we were going to eat somewhere. I just couldn't remember the name.
Okay. Cow and Coops. Yeah.
Okay. And then I was telling them we're going to Billy's. But what's Billy's? It's some kind of bacon place. It's the name of it. Do you know?
Okay. Bill, and then it's E, the letter E, apostrophe S. So Bill E's.
Okay.
And so he's got the restaurant portion of it, but then he also sells bacon as well. So there's like a shop part of it too.
Who doesn't love bacon?
And that's, where is that at?
Yeah, I know it's right down there on the other side of Mobile, Fairfield. Fairhope. Somewhere in there.
More information, yeah.
So anyway, as we travel along, we will give you guys more detailed information of what we're going to do and where we're going to be. But
it's gonna be a packed
It's a packed, yeah, packed few days. We've got lots of places to see, lots of places to stop, but we're really looking forward to this. This is area we haven't covered before.
Right.
And Angie was saying it today, you know, even though we take back roads, since we travel a lot of the same way.
Same paths, yeah. We're leaving from the same place and we're getting the same place, and so we tend to
Hit
ride
the same back roads.
Yeah. Now it'll make us go to a new place and a new starting point and a new end point, and yeah.
And then Wednesday, we're all along the coast, which is some of our favorite riding. So stay tuned for Wednesday, all along the coast.
Yeah, yeah.
Anywho.
My kids.
That's it. Kids are texting us. She's got to go to the bathroom. I've got to get this video done. And it's our last night with sisters, so we're going to hang out.
Hi guys, by the way.
Anyway, we will see you guys tomorrow.